So today class we'll be looking at lot sizes, which is the middle topic we have in here. So last time I talked about spread, and we remember spread is what difference between the ask price and the what and the selling price. So lot sizes in the forex market, these currencies are not bought singly. What I mean is that you can't just buy one currency. Let's say United States dollar, you're buying one of it because while you're trading major currency that have good economy. It's not like Nigeria to dollar exchange prices that varies in large quantity. So for you to make profit, you need to buy in volume. You don't need to buy one because if you're trading the exchange price between euro to dollar, the exchange prices does not change like the way it change like naira to dollar. The exchange prices in euro between euro to dollar change in a small fraction. So if you buy only one of dollar and you're trying to exchange it back to euro to make profits, before you make profit on that money, or a fraction that will enter into that money before you make even an additional $1 to that your one single currency you bought between euro to dollar, it will take like 4 years, 5 years before you can even make $1 as profits. Because your profit might be like maybe 0.0 something profit. So we don't buy these things one or singly. We buy them in bulk, and that is why we call it lot sizing. Lot sizes on that name for lot sizing is volume. So this is where you take your notepad and take a little note. So in the forex market, currencies are not bought and sold singly. They are bought and sold in what? In bulk, which is a massive part. Other name for lot sizing or lot sizes are called volumes. Now, in layman term, lot sizes are what? You're buying in bulk or you're selling in what? In bulk. Because the two things we do in the forex market is buying and selling. So your specific lot size, you have to have a specific volume that you're buying a certain currency, or you have to have a specific volume that you're selling a specific currency. So in the forex market, these currencies are of these lot sizes or these volumes that we use to purchase a certain currency are of three types. The type 1 is the mini lot size. Alright, so let's go straight to the types. This is where we have to pay close attention to. Again, refreshing your memories back to when I taught currency pairs. I said the two things here we do in the forex market is buying and selling. And if we actually buy, we buying the what? The base. If we sell the base. So before you place buy or sell, let me go in here. Let me go into my trading view. So take notes, follow my cursor. If you look at this point, they are telling me sell market, buy market. Let me take it again. Sell market and buy market. Now, before this is gold, XAUUSD. So this is the base currency. So if I'm selling gold. If I'm buying gold. PUSD. So if I place a buy, it means I'm buying the what? The Great Britain pounds. If I place a sell, it means I'm selling the Great Britain pounds. The base currency is always the what? The currency at the left, or the first currency. So So before you take a sell or a buy, there must be what we call lot sizing, a specific volume you want to buy with, or a specific volume you want to sell with. So in the Forex market, these volumes are categorized into three types. So we have the first category called the mini lot size. This is not the smallest lot size, but this is like the middle lot sizing category. But I put it the first because I started from mini, micro, standard. Now the mini lot size is not, like I said, is not the smallest. Please, if you're writing on your notepad, but let me actually explain the three types for us. So the three types of lot sizing in the Forex market, we have the mini lot size, we have the micro lot size, which is the smallest. The mini lot size is the second to smallest. The standard lot size is the largest. Now, let's go direct to the mini lot size. A mini lot size contains 10,000 units of the base currency. That means what I'm trying to explain here is the startup lot size in a mini is starting with a volume of 10,000 units. 10,000 units is 10,000 of the base currency. So, for instance, you want to buy with a mini lot size and you go in with a mini lot size, one mini lot size, and you click a buy. It means that you're buying 10,000 of Great Britain. That means 10,000 Great Britain, that's what you're buying. If you take a sell, it means you're selling 10,000 Great Britain if you're using the mini. Now, the mini lot size varies from 0.10 to 0.99, 0.10 to 0.99, and 0.10 is represented as 10,000 units. So the startup lot sizing in our MT4 or MT5 is 0.10. So the mini lot size now groups of lot sizing, it's from 0.10 to 0.99. So let me really go into explain in depth in here, having to write a note. So what I'm trying to say is one mini lot size is equal to 10,000 units of the base currency. Now, in MT4, one mini is equal to 0.10. So MT4, instead of writing 10,000, they are writing 0.10. And I said again, the mini lot size, in MT4 slash MT5 varies from 0.10 to 0.99. It therefore means that 0.20 is equal to 2 mini. 0.30 is equal to what? 3 mini. 0.40 is equal to 4 mini. 0.50 till 0.99. So Instead of writing 10,000 units in MT4 and MT5, they are writing the MT4 and MT5 is the application we use in trading. I've showed NK. So by Thursday, we'll be taking an actual trade using this lot sizing, and I will show us how to execute trades and lot sizing. So it means that if 0.10 is 10,000 units, it therefore means that 2 mini, which is represented in MT4 as 0.20, will be 20,000 units. 0.30 is equal to 30,000 units. 0.40, which will be 4 mini, will equal to what? 40,000 units. So this is the way they represent it in our MT4 application. But then what it really represents is the volume we are using to trade is 10,000 if you use 0.1, 20,000 if you use 0.2, 30,000 units if you use 0.3, 0.4 is 40,000, 0.5 to 0.99. 0.99 is now 99,000 units of that specific base currency. Now, a micro lot contains 1,000 units of base currency. So each starting lot is 1,000. So remember, this starting lot represents 10,000 units. Now, this one starting lot is 1,000 units. And in MT4 and MT5, they are from 0.01 to 0.09. Take note, micro lot size, they are from 0.01 to 0.09. It therefore means that since you have 0.01 to 0.09, if you have 0.02, it is a micro. 0.03, 0.03. Why this one is 0.3? This one is 0.03. 0.03, it is a micro. 0.04, it is a micro. 0.05, it is a micro. 0.06 is a micro. 0.07, it is a micro. 0.08 is a micro. 0.09, which is the last one, it is a micro. So 0.09 is 9 micros. So if this is 0.0, if 0.01 in MT4 and MT5 represents 1,000 units, that means if it executes using a 0.01 in our trading platform, it therefore means that we're buying the base currency with 1,000 units. So that is our volume. 1,000 is our volume. So if you use 0.02, it means it's 2,000. 0.03, 3,000. 0.04, 4,000. 0.05, 5,000. Till 0.09, which is now 9,000 units. So let's go to the last one, which is standard lot size. Now, in standard lot size, this is the largest lot size in our trading. Most people use this standard lot size to make plenty of money. Some people use this standard lot size to blow their account. So take note: the higher the lot sizing, the higher the risks, and also the higher the profits. So in standard lot size, this is the largest of all of them. It contains 100,000 units. So each starting lot size contains 100,000 units. So if you use one standard lot size, it is 100,000 units. So in MT4 and MT5, it's now 1.00. It's now 1.00. So 1.00 to infinity is standard lot size. So standard lot size starts from 1.00 to maybe 100, because once any lot size are above 100, you're now an institutional trader. So maybe we are actually trading directly from the institutional bank and not trading with a broker. So 1.00, if you use 1.00 in our trading platform, which is MT4 or MT5, it is 100,000 units of the base currency. So with this, I am done with today's class, and if there's a question, we can actually ask.